Continuity 1. Physical and visual pathways. Continuity is all about visual flow and the means of leading one's eye through a composition. There are two types of continuity, visual and physical. Visual continuity is frequently referred to as alignment. Physical continuity generally involves contours touching other contours or items overlapping other items. Imagine continuity as a clothesline, but without the line. Our clothesline contains both visual and physical continuation. Visual continuity can quietly exert control through simple acts of alignment. The boat's contour is visually connected to both the structure on the left and the river's turn above it. Visual continuity is apparent in a map on the back wall whose lower edge disappears and reemerges from behind the figure, thus implying depth. Visual continuity appears along horizontal and vertical axes. Both visual and physical continuity appear as zigzagging forms of movement. Both physical and visual continuity appear to connect groups of people in the act of crossing a river. Visual continuity captures the moment of collapse for the formerly vaunted bull market of the early 2000s. Physical continuity connects a market graph to its referenced year and indirectly to a defeated bull. Visual continuity further unites horizontally arranged groups of cattle. Visual continuity creates vertical columns of wheels, while physical continuity creates rows of bicycles. Visual continuity takes on a dominating role when content is arranged on a grid. Visual continuity aligns and unites each and every splash. A pair of dolphins physically connect the upper blue portion with the lower blue portion. Physical continuity engages all visual items in this collage.